Hello guys, welcome back to IIT Prep Solution channel. Today I am going to explain this question. If P minus Q equal to R and P equal to Q equal to R, then the ratio of angle between P and R to P and Q is. According to question they given P equal to Q equal to R. These three equal to some constant X. Then the ratio of angle between P and R. P and R is P minus R equal to Q. P minus Q equal to R. Something is X, that means P equal to X, Q equal to X and R equal to X. What is the formula for resultant? That is under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. X is equal to under root of x square plus x square plus 2 into x cos theta 1. This is theta 1, this is theta 2. Okay, squaring on both sides will get x square equal to 2x square plus 2x square cos theta 1. 2x square minus x square equal to 2x square cos theta 1. X square equal to 2x square cos theta 1. X square get cancelled. 1 equal to 2 cos theta 1. Cos theta 1 equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2 when theta equal to 60 degrees, then theta 1 equal to 60 degrees. Now we will find the theta 2. This is for P minus R equal to Q. Now P minus Q equal to R. What is the formula for R? That is under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. Here R is X. X equal to x square plus 2x into x cos theta 2. Squaring on both sides will get x square equal to 2x square plus 2x square cos theta 2. 2x square minus x square equal to 2x square cos theta by 2. X square equal to 2x square cos theta 2. X square cancel. 1 equal to 2 cos theta 2. Cos theta 2 equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta equal to 1 by 2 when 60 degrees. Then cos theta 2 equal to 60 degrees. There are this ratio. P minus Q equal to 60 degrees. P minus Q equal to also 60 degrees. P minus R equal to 60. Then ratio is theta 1 by theta 2 equal to 60 degrees by 60 degrees. 1 by 1. This is 1:1. This is our required answer. Thanks for watching this video.